ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. One of our Patreon supporters has asked about how to present a list of items. So I've got a couple of ideas for that here today. So in one of our most recent books, Kōrero Māori Aio, on each of the pages there is a list. So for example, this one is he tepu, he turu, he pukapuka, he pene rākau, hoki, I te kura. And that means there are tables, chairs, books and pencils at school. So this looks like here something, here something, here something, I te. So whichever place. So for example, let's say at home, kāinga. So the example in Kōrero Māori Aio for at home is he ārai, curtains, he aupuru, cushions, he rama, he whakaahua hoki, I te kāinga. So depending on what you're wanting to talk about, you might say he ruma moe, he kihini, he wharepaku, I te kāinga. So that's how you do a list, and it means there is a or there are, and here can work for both, for singular or plural, and it's the sense of it will come with the sentence. So that's one. With lists, it tends to always start with he. Another list is demonstrated here, and this is ngā kai mō tēnei tikanga tūnu, and that means the food items, I guess, for this recipe, tikanga tūnu recipe. So we might say he huka, sugar, he pata, butter, what else might be in a recipe? He miraka, so those three things, he huka, he pata, he miraka, ngā kai mō tēnei tikanga tūnu. And that means sugar, butter, milk are the food or the food items in this recipe. So that's how to do a list. And you might just say here, here, here. And if you want to make this sound like and at the end, that's when you add hoki. So that's what we've done in this book. So for example, on the page for the shop, he kōneke, he hua whenua, he hua rākau, he miraka hoki, I te toa. That means trolleys, vegetables, fruit and milk, hoki. So you can do and. So you could do this as well. He huka, he pata, he miraka hoki, ngā kai mō tēnei tikanga tūnu. Really enjoy having your questions and comments and suggestions, so please message me or comment if you would like something else covered. Got some other ideas that are coming up soon, and thank you to Kimi for this question. Ka kite.